Hello guys, review Tecno Spark Go 2024 year edition. This version 3GB RAM memory and 64GB storage. Open box and look completation. We have IPS display, 90 Hz refresh rate and stereo dual speakers. Okay. Black color. Camera iPhone like. On this side power button with fingerprint scanner and volume buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, upside second speaker, and downside we have Type-C port and headphones jack. Okay. In completation we have documentary, protected back cover, adapter for charging, Type-C cable, and key for SIM slot. Slot we have 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay. Open settings, look Android version. We have Android 13, High OS version 13.0.0. Okay, look into the benchmark results score. We have CPU Unisoc T606 and GPU Mali G57MP1. Results, okay, good score for this price device. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level on this device. Okay. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.